Welcome to our channel. If you received a Discover employee card and need to activate it by phone, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Locate the toll-free activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your Discover employee card or in the accompanying instructions. Step 2. Call the activation number from your mobile or landline phone. Step 3. When prompted, select your preferred language for the activation process. Step 4. Follow the automated voice instructions and enter your 16-digit Discover card number using your phone's keypad. Step 5. You will be asked to enter the last four digits of your social security number or other identifying information for verification purposes. Step 6. Create a personal identification number, PIN, when prompted. This PIN will be used for ATM withdrawals and certain in-store transactions. Step 7. Listen to the confirmation message indicating that your Discover employee card has been successfully activated. Step 8. Your Discover employee card is now active and ready to use. You can use it for business purchases, cash withdrawals at ATMs, and online transactions. Keep your card and PIN secure and monitor your account through the Discover website or mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.